How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we have a live trading video from a trade that we actually took yesterday. It wasn't today, but I still wanted to show you it because the trade was really good. I was very happy with how it turned out, and I was glad that I was able to film some of it live. So yeah, we're gonna play the clips of the live trading, and then we'll get into a breakdown, and I'll show you exactly how I took this trade. So if you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, and yeah, let's get into the live trading.
Okay, so we have just entered a trade here. We've gone for a GU buy, and it's looking like this, and it's set up quite nicely. I'm expecting it to, go to take profit. As you can see here, we missed this sell yesterday by literally nothing, so that was pretty painful, but it is what it is. But yeah, we're expecting GE here to buy up and take out the high and then continue to the upside, and obviously I will break this down later on in the video so you guys know why I took it, but for now we're just going to see how it plays out. I've got it taken over here, as you can see, and we're only at $120 right now, so we're going to see what it does, and yeah, I will get back to you once it's done a bit more. Alright, so we've just got to the high here. We need it to break and close above this line here, so break above like here, but we've pushed up nicely. We're up about 1% on the trade, so we're just gonna zoom out and see what it does here, yeah, we're gonna just keep waiting, see what it does at this high. It has a few chances to break above. If it doesn't break above, then we will get out of the trade, but let's see what it does. All right, so as you can see, we have broken the high now, and we are pushing up towards TP, so that should hit soon. But yeah, the trade's looking good. We're up about $1,000 right now, so yeah, it's going well. All right, guys, so as you can see, TP has hit. Ignore the messy monitor, I need to clean it, but TP has hit 3% on the trade, and now I'm going to head over onto the charts and give you a breakdown of this GU buy.
Okay, so as you can see, the trade that we took was here. Now I'm going to explain to you how and why I took this position, why I thought it was going to buy. It was a very simple trade. It wasn't a very complicated trade, and we did very well to get the direction right. So what we did was, when we came to the charts, price was sort of what time? It was around here, right? And so this was in London session here. Now, before we get to there, let's just look at what's happened already before that. You can see how we have a high and another high here, and this high created the low, and we push up and we break out the high, and then as you can see, we break this high as well. So we've broken two highs to the upside, which is our first sign, and with that push up, we're then expected it to make a leg down before continuing up. So what we did was, we were anticipating the pullback. It pulled back into the area we wanted, and then when we got the push up, we got the entry. Now, as you would have seen in the live trading, I was basically saying about how I wanted a break at this high, because obviously if we're gonna continue to the upside, we need the high to break. That's just, a logical way of thinking and trading. So we waited for the high to break. As you see, we pushed up, we broke above the high, pushed back in, continued up, made our new low, and then continued up to TP. So it was actually really good how the trade played out. And then as you can see, it kind of reversed from where our TP was. The reason for that, and I don't use high time frames, but the reason for that was, as you can see, we are trending down on the 4 hour, which you do need to be aware about. And where my TP was basically in an area for it to pull back in and continue lower. So that's why I didn't want to target any higher, because I was aware that higher time frames may obviously have an impact on the direction. Having said that, I don't use them and I don't trade them, so you can do it if you want, but it was just something I thought to note that would be quite interesting, and was quite good that we got them at 1 to 3 there. Now this trade here, just whilst we're going off it, I just wanted to talk about this one quickly. You can see how we broke the lows, retested in, and then pushed down. I was trying to get in on the pullback and we just missed before it came to TP, so that one was quite annoying. Now in terms of what I think price will do next week, I don't know yet, because we've had news, we've got more news coming out next Friday, such as NFP, and right now if I draw sort of the highs and lows on, you can kind of see we're ranging in this area here, not much really going on, and you can even refine it to these zones sort of like this. Again, you can see that we're just sideways, so not really anything that I would be looking to trade as of yet on Monday per se, but hopefully this breakdown did help you. If it did, good. If you want to know a bit more about how I trade, obviously I'm not going to say everything in the video, so if you do want to learn a bit more about how I trade, there'll be a link to my Telegram in the description. Feel free to check it out. Also, you don't have to, it is entirely your choice. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hopefully you found it useful with the breakdown, and hopefully you enjoyed the live trading. If you do want to see more live trading, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe, because we're getting very, very close to 1,000 subscribers. But I appreciate all of you coming in to join me in this video. Have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one.